Mr. Deputy President, leaders of majority, National Assembly and Senate, Cabinet secretaries present, senators, members of Parliament, good morning. Hamjambo. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of us to this retreat of both the executive and our members of the legislature. Karibuni sana to Naivasha. I came last evening. I thought we were going to have a bonfire, but I found many of you had already, I think you had other assignments. Anyway, so, but I want to say this is a very important retreat. It is the first retreat we are having combining both the members of the executive, ministers, and